What are you making?
Complex, where later the first police on the scene found little trace of her.
What do you make?
Underneath the lamppost that hadn't been cleaned. That pair of flip-flops down in the parking lot.
That's beautiful, Madeline.
The man who snatched Brooke from the apartment that sunny Monday may also
Is this fun?
killer who preys on blonde and blue-eyed young women. An alert on the FBI website said they were investigating the possibility that he may have killed 3 women in Oregon.
Yeah, that's good. Maddie, that's good.
His name is Joel Patrick Courtney, and when authorities linked him to Brooke Wilberger, he was in prison in New Mexico, awaiting trial.
Let's go!
Blue-eyed blonde co-ed there.
These are Mexico! These are Mexico, Mommy! These are Mexico!
He called from Corvallis to say he'd be late
going!
and never showed up.
Let's go!
In 1985, Courtney pled guilty to sexual abuse in an Oregon case. He since changed.
You're not going to be saying that when we get there.
We are going to Mexico, Daddy.
I know we are. God forbid. For your birthday? Is that where you want to go? You want to go to New Mexico for your birthday?
No, honey.
We not?
No.
We want to make sure that we don't.
We're going to go live with the jackrabbits and the cactus bushes.
No, we're going to Mexico.
We're going to live with the Mexicans?
For the evidence, they were enough for the grand jury to indict Joel Patrick Courtney for the aggravated murder and kidnapping of
Matt, how about one color at a time?
No, I'll just use 5.
Draw number 1.
His first offense was the year Brooke was born.
Good job.
Good job. Can you draw a circle?
So that gives you a picture.
Although police say they now have
No,
the man who killed Brooke, the biggest part of the puzzle is still missing.
One at a time?
One at a time is wonderful.
Admitted nor denied
Draw a circle.
involvement in the case, and Brooke's body has not yet been found.
The frustrating part is just wanting it all to
Good job.
Can you draw a 2
to have
with green paint?
and to
Let's color it.
move on without
Okay,
having
color
to
it in.
open up again.
Yeah.
Paint it in.
We'll have that ending, and it'll bring some peace, I think.
Can you draw number 2 with green paint?
The man who planned to marry Brooke
From
might
Lilac.
be ready to face that ending.
When they do find her, it'll be right.
Hmm.
Admitting it actually happens.
What you show
Draw
me?
number 2.
I guess a small part of me doesn't want
Do you remember what a 2 looks like?
I don't have to do
What?
it, I guess.
Do you remember what it looks like?
But then,
2?
You need that?
some back we did, you know. I really hope that the Wilbergers find out what happened to Brooke. I have 4 children of my own.
Can you do a triangle?
My own daughter.
I don't know how.
This will be
Okay.
close to me for the rest of my life.
I use yellow.
It's life changing to everybody, and people's lives were really changed.
Little bit.
And Brooke's brothers and sisters.
We've had a lot of support, a lot of people, that there are those lonely moments when you are alone because
If you mix the green and the yellow, you'll get... No, if you do red and yellow, you get orange. Right?
Orange.
Green and yellow makes